Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you have done the previous assigned task about multiples and common multiples in your booklet. Now today I am going to start next topic, that is lowest common multiple or LCM of numbers by common multiple method. As you know about the common multiples, so here the topic is lowest common multiple of the numbers by common multiple method. So open your booklet, page number 55 for better understanding and listen the instructions very carefully. Let's start today's lecture. Firstly, let me explain you about LCM. What is LCM? I will explain you about the LCM by definition. LCM, lowest common multiple or LCM of any two numbers, is the smallest number which is multiple of both. As in the previous lecture you have learned about the common multiples. Firstly you have to find the multiples, then you have to find the common multiples in both numbers, and then you will find the lowest common multiple. What is lowest common multiple? Lowest common multiple of any two numbers is the smallest number which is multiple of both. Means when you will find the common multiple, maybe there will be two or three common multiples and you will choose the smallest number which is multiple of both. That smaller number will be the LCM of the given numbers. Now here are some important points or steps to find the LCM. Number 1, firstly list the multiples of all given numbers. Firstly you will find the multiples of all given numbers. Then secondly, identify the common multiples of all given numbers. In the second step, common multiples. And lastly, choose the least or lowest common multiple or smaller number of all given numbers. There are 3 steps to find the LCM by common multiple method. First one is find the multiple. Second step is find the common multiples. And third step is choose the smallest number in the common multiple. Choose the smallest common multiple. Got it? Now in your booklet, page number 55, as you can see that 2 examples are already done for you. I will solve one of them to explain the procedure how to find the LCM or lowest common multiple of the numbers by common multiple method. So let's start the example. Example is find the LCM of 3 and 5 by listing the multiples of each number. Means you have to find the multiples of 3, multiples of 5, then common multiples of 3 and 5, and then LCM of 3 and 5. Now in this example, as I told you in the previous lecture, that maybe there will be some restriction that find the first 6 or first 5 or first 4 multiples of the given number. But in this example again there is no restriction to check that how many multiples should be in this example for 3 and 5. So it's up to you. You can find the multiples up to 6 multiples or 7 multiples. So let's start the example. According to the steps of lowest common multiple by common multiple method, first step is find the multiples of the given number, then find the common multiple, and then choose the lowest common multiple to find the LCM. Let's start the example. Multiples of 3. Firstly we will find the multiples of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, and 3 tens are 30. So here I find out only the first 10 multiples of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These all are the first 10 multiples of 3. Maybe there will be some more multiples because multiples are unlimited. So I am going to stop it over here. Why these all are the multiples of 3? Because these all multiples, why these all are called the multiples? Because these all numbers are exactly divisible by 3, leaving no remainder. Now come to the multiples of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50, because multiples are unlimited. Now, this one was the first step, find the multiples of both numbers. Second step is find the common multiples. Common multiples mean those multiples which are common in both. Now let's check which multiple is common in both. 15. 15 is multiple of 3. 15 is also the multiple of 5. 30. 30 is the multiple of 3. 30 is also the multiple of 5. Now there is no more multiple which is common in both. Maybe if you will find some more multiples, maybe there will be some more common multiples, but for this example I will stop it over here. Next is write the common multiples. What are the common multiples? 15 is the common multiple. 30 is the common multiple. These two are the common multiples of 3 and 5. Our topic is LCM, lowest common multiple. So lowest common multiple of 3 and 5 mean the smallest number of all the common multiples. These two all are the common multiples. Which one is smaller number? Yes, 15 is the smaller number. 15 and 30, when you will do the comparison, 15 is smaller, 30 is greater. So 15 is smaller. So our lowest or least common multiple of 3 and 5 is 15. So our answer is 15. Got it? Hope you have learned the topic about the lowest common multiple by common factor method. Now open your booklet, page number 56, and solve the given exercise about the LCM by common multiple method by yourself with the help of this solved example. For any problem you can ask me. Thank you.